sitemap for blogger website. First you have to come your blogger backend, then setting, then you can see this, and then come to crawler and index and disable this. Okay, that's mean this, disable this custom robot.txt, then click your website, then beside the website type slash robots dot txt. Okay, then enter it. Actually blogger automatically generate the robot.txt, and this is your sitemap. Okay, just simply copy it. Okay, copy it. And friend, if you are newer in my channel, please subscribe my channel and also comment. And if you have any question, please feel free to comment, I will reply. Then enter this and submit this. I already submitted this URL and this is successfully. I hope to all of you are understand my video, and if you have any question, please feel free to comment, I will reply. And if you want to contact me, just check the description box, I will leave my contact information there. Thank you, have a good day.